As you know, there are changing demands from customers. The way customers interact with organizations is changing. The way users interact within the organization is changing. And the way expectation of businesses from IT, that is also changing. So all this is giving rise to what you call redefinition of business and IT relationship. So we wanted to capture how is this impacting the happenings in India. Right? Clearly IDC has been telling us, and we have been telling customers, that all this change between business and IT is giving rise to a new structure called a third platform. So we really wanted to understand what is the progress of third platform and what has been the adoption of mega trends like social, mobile, analytics and cloud in India. And that's why we conducted this survey. So we administered this survey with an independent agency, which is a leading name in the tech market research. The survey was emailed and we got 169 responses from all the CIOs and IT users who registered for EMC forum, and that's how the output of survey have come out. So this survey was done pan-India. However, this survey is a part of the global survey, so we do have results available for other geographies as well on the emc.com site. The survey was based on SMAC. However, if you were to look at pure cloud adoption in India, it typically starts with virtualization, automation and standardization. The way it came out in our survey based on the 169 respondents we had, that 43% of the customers have adopted virtualization for mission critical applications. Another 43% have taken on building a private cloud. 32% are using public cloud. 31% are using a combination of public and private. So typically they are building a hybrid cloud. And 22% of them have built a software-defined data center. That's the sum and substance of the cloud journey, if I were to summarize as it came out of the survey. It's a combination of, when we were to look at the survey and the IT spends where it is going. Our experience has shown that the verticals which are more adapt to the innovation have been BFSI, that is banking, finance and service industry, telecom, retail, and followed by manufacturing and government. In that order is what I would say. These are the verticals which have been more progressive in adopting these trends. I'm saying clearly software-defined data center means how automated is your every layer, that is server, storage, networking, right? All three, are you able to automate and provision it? That's when the SDDC really comes into action. That's what the response we got. I think 76% of the CIOs said that there could be a skill gap, right, coming, whereby they would see that 76% of the CIOs felt that the skill gap could be a major hindrance to adopting these mega trends, and that was the biggest challenge which came out. Clearly, there are two ways to address this. One is bridging the skill gap itself. So that's where EMC brings to the fore. One is the EMC Academy Alliance program, whereby we work with various universities and colleges. And 2 years ago, we launched courses around cloud and big data with universities and colleges, and we will have students coming out of these courses. So there's a skill availability in the market from the fresh talent pool. We also have education services run through our professional services arm, whereby we deliver trainings on cloud and big data and analytics piece, and therefore customers can take advantage of this training to help bridge the skill gap. The third and most important piece is building of automation and tools, right? So we are continuing to work and innovate around tools and technologies and software tools to enable the existing skills to take advantage of all these mega trends and be the true levers of business growth to the organizations. I'm saying the evolving role of IT is becoming to be a service provider to the business, right? Whether they build the services all in-house, whether they source some of the services outside of the organization, but they're truly becoming a broker of services. So IT's evolving role is to provide on-demand services to the needs of business.